This is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to factory reset your Infinix mode. You first switch off your phone. Mine is already switched off, as you're going to see, because anytime now this problem can happen to anyone, anywhere. You press the volume up key and the power button. You long press. This is a very quick and easy way to factory reset your phone. If you see the Infinix logo, as you see, you release the power button. It will take you to another step, as you're going to see. It will take you to another step, which is the recovery mode. It will take you to a recovery mode. For this case, if you reach this step, you place the volume down key, the power button, and the volume up at the same time, as you have seen. So you come here, you wipe capture partition, you use these volume down keys to save changes, you place the power button. So you click down here on the factory reset, you place yes, you just agree everything. So this is a very quick and easy way to factory reset your Infinix S5. It can also work on any other versions of phone Infinix, as long as it's an Infinix phone. So thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, because anytime now I can answer you. See you in my next video. Please subscribe.